to win a GoPro Hero just by sharing your amazing Velomobile adventures. But stick around, I've got all the details on how to get in on this amazing contest. Hi everyone, it's Hannah Wijnen from Velomobile World. So if you're into Velomobiles like I am, or you just like cycling with them, I've got some super exciting news to tell you today. We're calling in all Velomobile lovers to come and join the Share Your Velomobile Story campaign. We know Velomobiles are much more than a ride. They're a whole adventure. And now we want to hear your adventures. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or just out for a fun ride, this is your chance to share your awesome experiences. Plus, you could win a GoPro Hero action camera. How cool is that? Here's how it works. Step 1. Register your Velomobile by filling in this super quick form in the description. In this form, you're going to tell us all about your Velomobiles. What models is it? What do you like most about it? How do you use it? What were your most memorable rides? You're also going to share photos and videos that showcase the joy of riding your Velomobile. Maybe the beautiful routes you take, or the cargo you carry, or just your big smile when you zoom past the traffic. And here's the best part. For every 100 entries we get, we'll be giving away a GoPro Hero to one lucky winner. The more entries, the more prizes, so you definitely want to get involved. It doesn't matter if you ride a Bulk, a Milan, or any other model, we want to hear from you. All models are welcome because we're celebrating all forms of human-powered transportation. Your stories will inspire many others to get involved into the Velo Revolution. Some of the best entries will be even used for future marketing to show off how amazing Velomobiles are. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description, fill out that form and get a chance to win a GoPro Hero action camera. I can't wait to see all your amazing adventures and stories. Let's show people how cool Velomobiles are. See you next time. Bye bye!